Chapter 4. The Keyboard and the Mouse. Keyboard. A keyboard is a device that has many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. A keyboard enables us to enter data into a computer. It is connected by a wire to the CPU of the computer. The process of pressing different keys of a keyboard to type words or numbers is called typing. A small blinking line that appears on the computer screen is called the cursor. It shows the position where the next letter or number will appear. We will now learn about the different keys of a keyboard. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have letters from A to Z on them. They are used to type letters, words, and sentences. Number keys. Number keys have numbers from 0 to 9 on them. These keys are used to type numbers. There are two sets of number keys. One set is present above the alphabet keys and the other is present on the right side of the keyboard. Space bar. The space bar key is used to give a space between letters, words, or numbers. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Let us type the following. Good morning. Type good and then press the space bar key once. Now type morning. Enter key. This key helps us to start a new line or a new paragraph. It takes the cursor to the next line. It is also known as the return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. To type good morning in different lines, type good, press the enter key, and then type morning. Backspace key and delete key. Sometimes we make mistakes while typing on the computer. To correct these mistakes, we can use the backspace and the delete keys. The backspace key is used to erase a letter, number, or any other text on our left. The delete key is used to erase a letter, number, or any other text to our right. Arrow keys. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor in different directions. These keys are also called cursor control keys. Up arrow key moves the cursor up. Left arrow key moves the cursor left. Right arrow key moves the cursor right. Down arrow key moves the cursor down. Caps lock key. This key is used to type capital letters. It has two modes, on and off. When we press this key, a small light is turned on the keyboard. In the on mode, it helps us to type letters in capital. To stop typing in capital, we press the caps lock key again and the light turns off. Mouse. A computer mouse looks like a living mouse. It has a long wire which looks like the tail of a real mouse. This wire is connected to the CPU box. A mouse helps us to select and open things on the monitor by pressing mouse buttons. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games on a computer. We must always keep the mouse on a flat surface called mouse pad to keep it free from dust. Just like our finger, a mouse helps us to point things on a computer screen. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Mouse buttons. A mouse has left button, right button, and a scroll wheel. We do most of the work on a computer by using left button. Right button is used to open menus, which are pop-up menus. Scroll wheel helps us to move up and down a page. This is called scrolling. Tail, left button, scroll wheel, right button. Holding a mouse. We must hold the mouse properly. Middle finger, index finger, middle finger. Thumb, thumb, palm, palm. Index finger, middle finger, thumb. Place the palm on the mouse. Put the index finger on the left mouse button and the middle finger on the right mouse button. Now hold the sides of the mouse with your thumb and rest of the fingers. To move the scroll wheel, use your index finger. Mouse actions. When we press a mouse button, we hear a click sound. This action is called clicking the mouse. Single click, left click. When we press the left mouse button once, it is called a single click or left click. It is used to select an item on the screen. Double click. When we press the left mouse button twice, it is called double click. It is used to open a program or a file. Right click. When we press the right mouse button once, it is called right click. It is used to see the list of actions that can be performed with an item. Single click, left click, double click, right click. Dragging. When we move the mouse, keeping the left mouse button pressed, it is called dragging. It is used to draw or move items on the monitor. Warm-up. A keyboard is used to enter data into a computer. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. Number keys are used to type numbers. Space bar key is used to give a blank space. Enter key is used to start a new line or paragraph. Backspace key and delete key are used to erase letters and numbers. A mouse helps us to select and open things on the monitor. Single click, double click, right click and dragging